Guys, today I'm gonna talk about a quick video on the CPI of the Canadian dollar. Yes, so guys, remember that these videos are mainly for educational purposes and not trading or investment advice. So subscribe, like, share, and comment on other videos here, guys. So today we are going to be doing the CAD CPI, a quick breakdown on EURCAD and also on CADJPY. So remember that you do not trade money you cannot afford to lose. So these videos are mainly for educational purposes, not investment advice. So myself, Small Dlamini, Global GT, and Stocks for Hope will not be liable for any profits or losses made directly or indirectly from information taken from this video right here. So guys, I'm expecting the Canadian dollar to actually weaken during the CPI number when it actually comes out, because like technically if we look at the daily charts here, let us just do a quick top-down analysis. So if we look at the daily chart here, we did see that the CAD earlier on during today's session, it did try to move a bit higher, but price find some sellers somewhere close to yesterday's close, close to yesterday's open of the candle there. So it did try to go higher, and then there were some sellers in that zone, and then the market dropped aggressively. So currently now, if we look at the 1 hour charts, we could see that some of the selling pressure is trying to actually ease up there on the EURCAD. So I'm expecting that on the technical perspective, there is this order block candle that is right here on the 1 hour chart. So we see that the market from this order block, it went up higher aggressively, and then now it has been moving lower. So now it is the first time coming back to this order block here. So I'm expecting that the EURCAD will come and retest this order block that is right here, and then EURCAD will move higher during the course of the news today. So if we move from the 1 hour chart to an even smaller time frame, we see that yes, there is still room that the CAD will move inside this zone. So a buy inside this zone, when the market moves inside this zone, a buy orders will be much more in favor, because like there seems still some more liquidity somewhere in the zone. So EURCAD is going to be a buy. From my perspective, it's going to be a buy during the news. So if we look at CADJPY, so the story of the CADJPY, if we look at the top-down analysis here again on the CADJPY, we start there on the daily charts. We see that on the daily charts there's been an aggressive move to the upside there on the CADJPY, which was actually accelerated by the Japanese finance minister. I think his name is Suzuki or something. So he actually said overnight that he's watching the FX moves there on the JPY very, very closely. So because like they are planning deflation there as well on the Japanese side. So that move actually accelerated higher just to the previous high that the market went about 2 days or 2 sessions ago, if I could say. And then if I move to the 4 hour chart, we're seeing that the market is actually entering the zone where there was a previous rejection there on the 4 hour chart. So the market went higher, and then it got rejected there, and then it started to move lower. So on the 1 hour chart, we are seeing that we are seeing that the Japanese yen is actually, the CADJPY is actually entering the zone where there is an order block that is right here. So this is an order block that is right here. So we did say that an order block is the last bullish candle. So there is a block that is right here. The market went down from that block, and then it never made a new high from there, so it moved lower, and then now we are seeing that a price is actually entering the zone where there is the order block. So I'm expecting here on the lower time frames there on the 15 minutes that price will be rejected from that zone of the order block, and then price will like drop from there. It will move lower to form a low, because like price have been moving on an upwards momentum, but now it will form a low from this previous lower high, but now it's gonna form a low, breaking this low that is right here, and then form a low, and then the market will come back to retest the order block again, and then you might see some selling pressure there again on CADJPY. So from the CPI side, CADJPY, it is a sell, and then EURCAD, it is a buy. So guys, these are just my analysis for this CAD-CPI, the CAD-CPI news, and also these two pairs, CADJPY and also Euro Canadian dollar. So remember guys, that these videos are mainly for educational purposes, not trading or investment advice. So if you want me to continue to do analysis like this, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So thanks. I'll definitely see you on the next video.